Hey, what's up, y'all? Classic Kev back with another episode, and honestly, probably the most important episode yet. So look, y'all, I wanted to make this little Sunday update. I was thinking about some things this morning when I was having coffee. I was thinking about this NFT market, right? And I want to give you a understanding of the macro of the NFT market, right? I want you guys, again, this channel, this is not financial advice. This is strictly entertainment, right? Do not do anything I'm doing. Anything you see me doing, like, do your own research, because guys, I have a backup plan. My mom said I could move back in her garage if things don't work out. But I wanted to talk to you about the NFT market as a macro, right? So I want you to, and this is going to be hard for y'all to understand. I want you to understand that like 90% of these NFT projects will flop. 90% of them will fail. The reason they'll fail is a lot of different reasons. One, some of them are designed to be rug pulls that enrich the owners and nobody else. Some of them will fail because of what's called liquidity issues, meaning that, okay, for this NFT to go up in value, you have to have a buyer. Well, if the market is flooded with, even if it's a quality NFT project, if the market is flooded with quality NFT projects, well, then nobody buys yours, then you can't make all this money on it. So I know you're seeing people making a bunch of money in these NFTs, and you definitely can. But what I personally am doing is, most of my portfolio is in blue chip crypto, right? And I'm taking profits that I've made from blue chip cryptos, and I'm just taking calculated risk on NFT projects. Plus, it's real good content for YouTube. So just understand, have a lot of conviction in your NFT plays. And I truly feel that if you look at your total portfolio, if a higher percentage of your portfolio is in NFTs or speculative cryptos over blue chip cryptos such as, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon Matic, Solana, if a percentage of your portfolio, a higher percentage, say you have if you got 10 grand, right? And you got 8 grand in NFTs and 2 grand in, Ethereum, you're messing up, right? I personally have about, I'd say only about 5 to 10% of my portfolio is in NFTs. And again, y'all, a lot of this I'm doing, for YouTube content, and it's fun. It's fun, right? So, obviously, going forward, we are going to focus on the free NFT drops because, who doesn't want that free bag? But I'm only going to be investing in projects like the ones that y'all see me talk about and invest on here. Like, I've vetted thoroughly, and I could still be wrong, right? Takeoff's NFT could flop, Meta Billionaires could flop, Chilling Chameleons, BitBoy Cryptos, Pluto Alliance, all these NFT projects 100% can flop. But again, it's only 10% of my portfolio. And the way I'm looking at it is, I look in a macro, guys. I'm playing the odds, calculated risk. That of the ones I'm in, y'all know a lot of y'all in the same ones I'm in. Just need one of them to hit, right? Because, for most of these projects, I have 3 to 4 of them. So let's say, let's use Chilling Chameleons, for example, right? Let's say Chilling Chameleons, it triples in value from what I paid for, right? I have 3 of them. I'm going to sell one, recoup my initial investment, then 15% of that is going to go to Darren's organization, which is cleaning the plastic out of the beaches in Hawaii, a great cause. Then I'm allowing someone else to enter, someone else who may bring value. The new person that joins, they might be an influencer. They might be, who knows, a politician. Y'all seeing these mayors buy crypto. You're seeing these mayors and governors in influence. It might even be a celebrity. Let's say one of my NFTs, he has a number. He's got a jersey on. Who knows, a basketball player or a football player, he might just want that one because he wants his jersey number. So this is kind of my macro, thesis. And another thing, when you're buying these, y'all really got to focus on utility. And I don't want to, say don't focus on the art. Hey, art is subjective. It's in the eyes of the beholder. So if you see, an NFT and you just like the art, you want to support the artist, and you have the free cash, absolutely do that. You'll make an aspiring artist's day. But I want you to really think about, the utility. So when you're buying one, so if you could find an NFT that's got, You want to find NFTs that have, you know, the creators, that you can see who they are, you can see what they've accomplished, you've seen the projects they've worked on, you can see their following. You want to find a project that has an active Twitter and Discord. Like, guys, these NFTs, it's all about marketing. You know, you got to have people that know how to market, but good marketing isn't going to do it all. It's got to have utility, right? You got to have some type of utility that's going to be valuable to certain people, whether it's access or whether it's buying land and sandbox, like Takeoff's NFT project. So when I find one that meets those three criteria, good leadership, good creators, you know, like a good community, good active Twitter, Discord, marketing, and then great utility behind them, those are the ones I usually pounce on. And again, I could be wrong. I could be wrong on any of them, but just need one of them to be right. So another thing, y'all, is scams. And look, there's scams, and anything you can make money in, of course there's going to be scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And I know y'all probably tired of hearing this, but it's happening. I'm talking to people, it's happening every day. Never give your login or seed phrase to anyone for any reason, even me. If for some reason I message you and ask them for your seed phrase or your login information, do not give it, ever, right? There's so many scammers, they'll wipe out your whole NFT collection. Links. Discord, that's why I really haven't set my Discord up yet, because it's full of bots and scammers right now, y'all. So I really want to be thoughtful when I create my. I don't want any backdoors for somebody, you know, to do something nefarious in my, or, you know, I don't want it to happen on my property, right? I don't want it to happen to one of y'all. I truly mean that. And listen, I'm no more tech savvy than any of y'all. I have to reinforce myself of these things, and that, you know, that's why I've done a whole video on keeping your crypto safe. And again, y'all, I'm not sponsored to say this, but if you have any large amounts of crypto online, I really suggest you get this. It's a Yubi Key. Guys, it's super easy to use. I've talked about it on other videos. Basically, you just stick it in your USB drive. So any transaction I do, like sending money on like Coinbase or Voyager, any of my brokerage apps, I have to plug this in and literally tap this little thing. I have to touch that. So if a hacker did get in my account, they would have to do that. So it's like literally a key. Like, think about the key for your front door. That's a key for your crypto. Guys, I think it's like 30 or 50 bucks, something like that. I would definitely looking at that. And also, too, the most secure, we talked about it before, would be this. Yes, this is the Ledger Nano. That will store your crypto on the blockchain. You can also store NFTs on it, because NFTs are really just crypto, right? So when you buy an Ethereum based or Solana based NFT, you're really just buying crypto, you know, but it's non-fungible. You're not buying the fungible kind of crypto, right? Fungible just means, think about a $20 bill. If I have a $20 bill and you have a $20 bill, it's the same thing, right? Non-fungible means unique. So that's what NFTs are, because they're unique. All right, the next thing I want to talk about, I want y'all to think about, you know, Ethereum. Obviously, you know, that's where a lot of the big projects are, you know, CryptoPunks, you know, stuff like that. That's where a lot of people are on Ethereum. But start thinking about these other chains, y'all. Start thinking about finding the CryptoPunks that's on Solana. I promise there's one right now. I don't know which one it is, but I promise there's going to be one in a year, 2 years, is going to be as big as the CryptoPunks, right? Even Cardano, Avalanche. Start these smaller chains that are getting bigger. Start trying to find the low cost gem on those right now. And the way you can do that is Twitter. Crypto Twitter is kind of the place to be. That seems to be where all the smartest minds in crypto come to congregate. And also Discord, right? Find a community, you know, like-minded people. Join their Discord, and I get a lot of honestly, y'all, I get a lot of my NFT and my crypto recommendations from y'all, man. You know, or projects, Discords I'm a part of. You know, this is kind of my thought process. People send me stuff all the time, y'all. You know, and I do my own research, and if I like it, I buy it. You know, but your opinions do go a long way, because I've seen some of y'all portfolios. Most of y'all portfolios are bigger than mine, believe it or not. I've seen y'all have showed it. Y'all showing it to me as if, like, you know, like you think mine's bigger, or you think which it doesn't matter, y'all. It doesn't matter if your portfolio is $1,000 or $1 million, you know. The basics that I just talked about in this video applies to anyone, right? So anyway, y'all, that's all I got for you. Y'all have a great Sunday. I'm Classic Kev. I'm out. Peace.